So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. Bottom of the deck. Healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Okay. So for some of you guys, I'm seeing this as you guys have been putting in the work, basically back into yourself. And you've been manifesting someone new to come into your life. And I feel like this person is coming. And that's why they're saying they want you to stay optimistic about your love life, because you're like, dang, when is it my turn? Like, I've been single for a while. Like, I want love. I want happiness. And I'm not laughing at you guys, but just the way I said it. But you get what I'm trying to say. So there's somebody coming in. That's what they're saying. Stay optimistic, because whoever this is coming in, you two are definitely going to have like this bomb connection between each other. But I feel like in a part of your healing work, Spirit is saying that you have to forgive your parents or forgive something that may have taken place in your childhood, so there's still some work to be done, but this person's coming in. Now, for others of you, because I was going to go there, okay? This could be somebody from the past coming in, and it's like they're not happy in their current situation, and they're manifesting to be with you, and they're hoping that you're basically going to give them another chance when they come back, because they know that this connection between the two of you guys is real, it's strong, but they're trying to heal a family situation. So this could be like their immediate family, like their parents, siblings, whatever. It could be that they have a family with someone else, or it could be a situation to where they're healing some type of childhood trauma. So, let's just see. Okay, Spirit, tell me about my Leos. Okay, bottom of the deck, I have the Page of Wands reversed. So, this is telling me that the seeds that were planted, somebody feels like nothing is happening. It's not going to grow. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. There's some fear here. King of Pentacles, yeah. Somebody definitely wants to give someone else a stable, secure offer. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces, but this is telling me that they're listening to their intuition, because, yeah, I told you, stability. They want to have stability with you. Oof. The Wheel of Fortune, that's the second time it's tried to come out upright. Somebody's been going through a lesson, and I feel like now the lesson has been learned, and they want to move forward with you. But they could have hid something, so let's see. They're not happy right now. Yeah, they're manifesting you. Maybe somebody's like a parent here, or there's like a parent involved, but I'm seeing that they're trying their best not to look back on what took place, but they can't help it because they know that they didn't do right by you, and they want to prove themselves to you, but right now they're feeling stuck in a situation, and they're also feeling stuck because they feel like you don't want to have a victory with them. Okay, so let's see. So they made the decision. Hold on. They made a decision. They definitely want to be in a relationship with you. I have 1111, so yeah, this is definitely a soulmate situation, or it could be a twin for some of you guys, but it's like they're finally listening to their angels. But the problem is, because they're afraid of what they did in the past to you, that things may not turn around and work out in their favor, this is why they're keeping quiet. So let's see. Look at that. Yeah, they're afraid they're not going to be able to balance things out. They're not listening to their intuition. I have 2 9s here. I told you, there's a cycle. Remember I kept telling you guys the Wheel of Fortune kept trying to jump out, which is letting me know they learned their lesson. The cycle's almost over. They're moving forward. This is the cycle. So it is coming to an end. But they basically are saying that they feel like things aren't going to improve. Look at that. 2 9s and then a 10. I told you, there's going to be a cycle that's coming to an end. They're letting something or someone go, but they're afraid when they come back, you're going to drop them. How many more? Yep, and that's why they're having a hard time right now. And this is why they're not putting in the work. So this person, all their pride and ego, they're afraid you're going to reject them. Because it's like they had you waiting around. So, let's see. They're coming out of being frustrated. But I'm seeing that they're trying to stay positive, but they're not, because they're sad. Why? They're going through a tower moment. And the tower moment is something pertaining to finances here. But see, their tower moment is also them realizing what a butthole they were to you, and they don't want you to walk away from them. So they know that they're going to have to move really fast if they want to have an opportunity with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but yeah, they're ready to move forward. They're ready to come out of being frustrated. Didn't I tell y'all this? Well, the fortune kept trying to come out, and here it is. There's a cycle that's done. They learned their lesson. They want to come towards you and make it right. See, they made a change. They definitely made a change, and I'm seeing that this individual here, there's going to be direct communication. Tell me more. But they're frustrated because they feel like you're going to cut them off, and they lost you for good. But see, they got to get out of their head. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. But they're back and forth if you even want to put any more energy into them. Because they know that you probably just let them go because they didn't do right by you. They didn't balance things out. And that's why at one point they couldn't sleep. So they're coming out of this energy. But the thing is, it's like they're still not talking. They're still not opening up to you. Tell me more. So yes, they want to give you an offer, but this is their lesson. They have communication. They have to talk because this person has a hard time showing their feelings, showing their emotions. Some of you could have been dealing with a Virgo. They're afraid that you don't want them anymore because they stabbed you in the back. But they want to make it right, but they're just taking their time coming towards you. So I'm seeing that they're going to have the confidence to come back towards you and speak their truth because, I mean, they don't really have a decision or another option because you guys aren't reaching out. They definitely want things to improve, but you see what I'm saying? 2 4s here. They want a family with you. They want a home with you, but there could have been a home or a family situation involved. You know, and they want to apologize to you about that. See? Because they had to remove themselves from a family situation. For some of you, they just had to remove themselves from some type of third-party situation in order to have this wish fulfillment, this home life with you. But see, their justice could be dealing with a Libra. But I do feel like this person's trying to figure out how you feel about them because, see, they want to give you this new opportunity, but they don't know what to do right now. They're running out of options, you know, and this person is like, okay, I'm not content with how things have been playing out because I played this person. You know, I was rushing in and out. I didn't do right by them. And every time they want to say something to you, they don't. They do chicken out. Tell me more. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. But yeah, this person, they're losing hope. Leo, you could be dealing with another Leo. It's like they don't have the strength to come towards you. But it's like they're trying not to be frustrated because with the Page of Pentacles, it's more so upright for me. They're going to come and give you this offer. And it is a small offer, see? Because they want to start over with you. They want to move things forward. But at the end of the day, they feel like you don't want to build with them. But see, they want to have a peace of mind with you, but at the end of the day, they know if in order for them to move forward with you, they have to remove themselves from a situation. Because I see them either cutting off something or someone they were committed to, like if it's family or friends, something along that nature. But if it was like a love interest, I see them being single. Yeah, see, they're back and forth. Clarify? Yeah, this person's in their head. They've already made the decision that they want to be with you, but see, the Hierophant keeps trying to jump out. They made this decision, but they got to get out of their head because, see, this person's afraid that you're done with them for good. And the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow, but see, they can't stop thinking about the past. Back and forth with if things can improve or not. They wouldn't get out of a third-party situation. See, this person wants to give you this offer of a commitment, but they're afraid that you're not going to take it. Somebody could be dealing with the Taurus. See, there is an offer coming in because I'm telling you, this person's been manifesting you. They're going to have to speak up. There is communication coming in, but right now, this individual, they're not taking a lead because they know that they broke your heart. Clarify? 3 of Swords. Third party. See, even the way the 6 of Pentacles came out, it's like this third party here, it's like they're coming to you, but they got to get something worked out first. Yeah, see? Somebody's not feeling stable when it comes to money, you know, and they're not feeling stable as far as like if you're going to accept this offer because they hurt you. They feel like you're not going to talk to them. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But I'm seeing here that, yeah, they're trying to put an end because there was somebody blocking this connection, you know, and this is why they're afraid you're not positive. Because, see, I do have 2 women here. Even though it could be 2 men, there are 2 people. And this is the problem because, see, they know that you got left out in the cold. They did that because there was somebody else that they put before you, whether it's friends, family, or another, you know, love interest. So, let's see. Let's get you guys some advice. Okay, Spirit. When it comes to my Leos, what advice do you have for Leo? When it comes to Leo, what advice do you have for my Leos? top 20 cards. Advice for Leo. Bottom of the deck, I have the devil. So this could be fear as far as you guys, you know, like, I don't want to take this person back. They've done too much. Or this could be, maybe for some of you guys, this isn't a good connection. But let's just see. Let's just see how this plays. Alright, so it's like you guys are realizing the truth when it comes to this person. And you're deciding not to put any more time or energy into them. Yep, because they didn't bring stability into the situation between you guys. So you made a decision. Yep, you're coming out of being frustrated. You guys aren't worried about it. Y'all are over it. Why is the sun here? Yep, you guys want happiness in your life, so you had to basically do the work and free yourself from this person. Because, see, yeah, I told you, you weren't positive. There was somebody interfering. Okay. So now it's like you guys listen to your intuition. And it's like you had to make a move quickly, you know, because you wanted things to balance out. You wanted things to improve in your life. But when it comes to this connection, this relationship, you weren't unsure about it. It was like you wanted to be with this person, but because of the nonsense that they put you through, you're like, I don't know about that. But see, judgment is here. You guys have to make a decision. And the decision you made, you walked away from this toxic connection. Yep. Leo, see what I'm saying? You had the strength to do it. You decided, you're like, no more. I'm not doing it. So now it's like, I see you guys could just be focusing on your money. You know, you're content in that area. But I'm seeing somebody wants to be with you and there's communication coming in because this person is sad. But you're still going to put an end to it because you don't see yourself having a commitment with them. Yeah, you guys, I don't see you guys taking this person back. I don't care how much begging or pleading. For the month of June, you're like, nope. We'll have to see how this plays out in July. But for right now, no. So this is why they're saying stay optimistic, because this person, if it's not your person, this could be a test for you. So yeah, we got to see how this plays out in July. But all right, Leos, please leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates. I'm not taking any personal readings right now. I definitely have to get through the emails first from last month. But please look out for my community post because I will make an announcement when I am ready to take new requests. But yeah, y'all, please leave me some comments. Let's just see, how this plays out. But anyway, Leo, I love you guys. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this reading, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys, talk to you soon.